morning! Our low carb meal for today. Nilaga, my beef, my spam and eggs, my bulag, and kinilaw. Let's eat. Good morning. Bacon strips and eggs. Siyempre, our source of collagen, chicken feet. And mga authentic Arabic foods. Salamat. Good morning. Meron tayong sunny side up eggs. Meron tayong vegetables. And our leftover adobong chicken with eggs. And our lechon karahay. Let's eat. Hello, good morning. This is our salad. Lagyan natin ng parmesan cheese. May dirty low carb, pero fresh meat siya. And our lengua in white sauce. Good morning. Tara, food trip tayo lechon. And our kadyos baboy langka. Sarap. With our achara. Good morning. My low carb meal for today, dinuguan. Hello, good morning. This is our low carb salad. And our leftover dinuguan. And sunny side of eggs. Let's go. Good morning. This is our food for today's video. Low carb lechon, lettuce, dalawang sunny side of eggs, at meron tayong avocado and our black coffee. Let's eat. Hello, good morning. This is our low carb. Ayan, meron tayong chicken, meron tayong sinugba inasal na pork and isaw, and ayan. Hello, good morning. This is our low carb meal. Shrimp and bangus sinigang sa iba, kamya sa Tagalog, ating prosciutto and pork and processed bacon strips, and our sunny side of eggs. Hello, good morning. This is our low carb meal. Ground pork, our piniritong bangos, salad with shrimps, lettuce, ayan ang ating scrambled egg. Hello, good morning. This is our low carb meal. Sauteed vegetables with pork, may kalabasa, okra, balagay, and saluyot leaves. Tapos ayan ang ating pork belly and our sunny side of eggs for the protein. Good morning. This is our low carb meal. Sinugbang pork and leftover vegetables and our lettuce and cucumber. Good morning. Our low carb grass-fed curry kambing with our dirty low carb chicken. Good morning. This is our low carb meal for today. Humba, pinaksiw na isda, and our salad na radish and pepino and sunny side of eggs. Good morning. This is our low carb meal. Steak, yung pinaksiw na leftover, and our protein eggs and salad. Hello, good morning. This is our low carb meal. Meron tayong gisar, gisate-sate, ninataang vegetables with shrimps, our pork and eggs, and mayroon tayong radish and cucumber, latin, gyoza, ano tayo? Ajitama and Chasu and the sauce. Shababuna! Thanks for watching!